In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and prepare a project in Basecamp, ensuring a smooth onboarding experience for both your team and your clients. We'll go through all the steps needed to set up a well-organized project that will set the stage for effective communication and collaboration. Let's get started. First, you'll want to create a new project within Basecamp. Give it a name that's both clear and descriptive, such as Client XYZ, Onboarding and Kickoff. Choosing a straightforward title helps everyone immediately understand the purpose of the project and ensures nothing gets overlooked. Once you've created the project, it's time to select the tools that you'll use with your client. Basecamp offers a variety of options, including the message board, to-dos, docs and files, and schedule, along with chat if required. It's important to think carefully about your client's needs when choosing these tools. Too many can overwhelm, while too few might hinder communication. Tailor your selection to ensure the client is neither bewildered nor limited by the interface. Before you send off that invite to your client, take a moment to set up some internal preparations. Start by posting a welcome message intended solely for your team, providing them with context for this project. Following that, create an internal to-do list that outlines each step of the onboarding process. This ensures every team member knows their responsibilities and helps prevent any task from falling through the cracks. Also, don't forget to establish a dedicated folder within Docs and Files for all onboarding assets. This is where you'll store important documents like contracts, intake forms, and any access information. Having all these materials neatly organized in one spot will streamline the workflow and make sure you have everything needed at your fingertips. Next, prepare a client-facing welcome document or message that offers orientation to the process. This should be carefully crafted to set expectations and give the client a clear understanding of what lies ahead. In it, include essential information such as key contacts who will be involved, an anticipated timeline, and a brief tutorial on how they can navigate and utilize Basecamp from their side. This proactive communication can go a long way in fostering a collaborative relationship and reducing potential confusion. After you've set everything up on your end, it's time to invite your client to join the project. Use the Add People feature in Basecamp, navigating to the Clients tab where you can formally add the client's company or specific individuals. As part of the invitation, include a personalized welcome note in the email. This little extra touch of personalization helps establish a welcoming atmosphere and sets a positive tone for the engagement. In your note, be sure to mention two important things. One, that they'll receive notifications via email, and two, that they can access the project directly through Basecamp. Clear communication up front can make all the difference, paving the way for a productive partnership. By following these structured and thoughtful steps, you'll ensure a seamless and efficient onboarding process, setting your project up for success right from the start.